In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not opening in browser in this 2026 full guide. If Gmail won't load properly, opens to a blank page, or just keeps getting stuck, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check before assuming something is seriously wrong. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can get Gmail working again. First, check your internet connection. Gmail depends on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak or cutting in and out, the page may fail to open. Make sure your device is connected properly, then try refreshing Gmail. If you're using the Gmail app on mobile, you can also restart the app to see if that clears the issue. Next, refresh your Gmail inbox. On a computer, simply reload the Gmail page in your browser. On the mobile app, swipe down on the inbox to force a refresh. This is a quick step, but it often helps if Gmail is slow to load or hasn't updated correctly. If Gmail opens but you can't find expected messages, check your other folders. Sometimes emails are automatically sorted into spam, trash, promotions, social, or updates instead of appearing in your main inbox. You can also use the Gmail search bar to look up the sender's email address and locate the message more quickly. Another important thing to check is your Google account storage space. If your storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving new emails. Open your Google account storage page and review how much space is left. If needed, delete unnecessary files or expand your storage so Gmail can function normally again. After that, review your Gmail filters. Incorrect filters can automatically archive, delete, or skip incoming emails. Open Gmail in a web browser, click the settings gear icon, select See All Settings, and go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Look through your filters carefully and edit or remove anything that might be keeping messages out of your inbox. You should also check email forwarding. In Settings, open the Forwarding and Pop/IMAP tab and confirm whether forwarding is turned on. If emails are being sent to another account and you don't need that feature, disable it. While you're in Settings, review your blocked addresses as well. Open Filters and Blocked Addresses. Check the blocked senders list and unblock any sender you still want to receive messages from. If you're using Gmail on a mobile device, make sure the app is updated. If updating doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall the app. Then sign in again and check your inbox. If Gmail isn't working in your browser specifically, disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or email-related tools, and then reload Gmail. Finally, check Gmail service status. If everything on your side looks fine, the issue may be a temporary Gmail outage